Hello everyone, I'm Vanila. Welcome to my channel Vanila, and I would like to surprise you with white stretchy socks, which I haven't done for possibly a couple of years for. So please enjoy this video whilst I'm wearing these socks. Let's wear the second one. These socks are new, so I've never been wearing them ever, so they are quite tight on me. It's my first time wearing them for you. So here we are. In white. My toes are popping out, but I think they look cute in these funky knee highs. Don't be surprised if I dance too much in my videos. I'm a big fan of music. I can't live without music. Music is everything to me, so music and knitting is everything to me. Even though I've got many other hobbies, I love music. I listen to it every single day. It's like my brain food. Do you like music, Mom?
Of course.
Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. I love you all. A kiss for everyone. Bye.